ladies right here, ladies and gentlemen. One guy versus two ladies right here. All right, here we go. Get ready. Oh, what a dance fever out here. Get ready, get ready. Here we go. I want to see the best shuffle one you got right now. Ready? Shuffle one, go. Michael Jackson move over? Alright, hold on a second. Stand next to each other right out here. Stand right next to each other. Ladies and gentlemen, first off, a big round of applause for these guys. Yeah, let's go down the line real quick. Let's go down the line. How many people like this team right here? How many people like this team right here? How many people like this team right here? Team number 10, I'm going to give you 50 points for that. Team number 2, 50 points. But you, sir, get 100 points for your team.